everyone. First alert, StormTeam meteorologist Joseph Williams with your Valley News Now evening forecast. I apologize for being a little late with this update, but I was doing a couple things earlier today, and we were also doing some updates at the station. So I apologize, but thank you so much for your patience. I just wanted to get this out quickly. We had a very active Sunday with that strong wind pushing through our region, but otherwise it was a gorgeous Sunday afternoon with mostly sunny skies. However, we have that first slow weather day coming up for Monday due to rain pushing through our region, and I'm also going to be first alerting you to what our Halloween forecast will be looking like. So let's go over the context. I mentioned that this Sunday was a bit active. We had strong winds pushing in from the south. Look at this, we had wind gusts up to 51 miles per hour in Fargo versus a wind gust up to 58 miles per hour in Cooperstown, 51 in Valley City, 46 in Grafton. So it was very windy at times this afternoon, but I'm going to pull up our screen so we can take a closer look. And this is what we saw today. Again, wind gusts generally in the 45 to 55 mile per hour range across much of our region. But here's a look at wind speeds now. The winds are much lower. All the wind alerts have expired because wind gusts are well below advisory criteria. Aside from this wind gust of the wind gust of 39 miles per hour in Grand Forks, the rest of our region is just looking at a standard southerly breeze, gusting up to 25 to 30 miles per hour. So it's a little windy out there, but much quieter, and we're also looking at a mostly clear sky, just some scattered clouds moving through our region tonight. However, as I mentioned a little early, we have that first low weather day from Monday as we're tracking some wind and rain. Basically, a low pressure system is making its way through our region. It's going to lead to some active weather. I'm thinking widespread rainfall for Monday and Tuesday as that low pressure system gets closer to our region. This will lead to at least 1 inch of rainfall in parts of our region, and that will have impacts to any sugar beet harvesting that you're having to do. And also, it's going to lead to some slick spots on the roads once the rain pushes through. That's why we have that first low weather day for Monday, especially because after a stretch of dry weather these past few days, this rain will be coming as a bit of a shock to those who have been enjoying the sunny weather these past few days. Again, all this is thanks to this frontal boundary that's to the west of us. As it moves east, it's going to lift moisture from the southwest. So look at this. We have this low pressure system centered out in Wyoming. It's making its way towards the northeast. Notice all the shower activity, snow showers, rain showers associated with this system. It's moving northeast, and that precipitation is going to lift in as we head into tomorrow morning. So let's go over our first look forecast to show you what I mean. We're starting the clock at 11 p.m. tonight. By around 4:50 a.m., that's when we'll see that first rain moving into the Devil's Lake Basin. I anticipate that's when we'll start seeing some heavy showers out in the Devil's Lake Basin, as indicated by the yellow and orange colors there. So if you're in Devil's Lake, by around 4 to 5 o'clock, you'll start seeing some rain coming down. We're all the same situation at hand. By around 7 to 8 o'clock, the rain is infecting not just the Devil's Lake Basin, but the James River Valley, and that rain will then continue sliding towards the east over the next several hours. So by midday, all of eastern North Dakota looking at some rain coming down. And then around 1 to 2 p.m., it's crossing over the Red River Valley. And by around 4 to 5 o'clock, all the Red River Valley and parts of northwest Minnesota are being impacted by the rain moving through. So to recap, Monday morning, James River Valley and northeast North Dakota being impacted by the rain. By the afternoon and evening hours, the Red River Valley and eastern North Dakota being impacted by the rain, with parts of northwest Minnesota too. As we head to Monday night, the swath of rain will continue lingering in northwest Minnesota. And while the rain does weaken to some scattered showers overnight and early Tuesday morning, by late Tuesday morning, some more moisture will lift in from the south, so that by early Tuesday afternoon, we'll see some more scattered rain showers in the Red River Valley in northwest Minnesota. And it won't be until Tuesday evening that the rain breaks up, and we're just left with some cloud cover heading into Wednesday morning. So basically, most of the rain will be coming in on Monday, but we're looking at some lingering showers heading into Tuesday. And that means expected rain totals will at least be an inch in northeast North Dakota and the Northern Valley, about ½ an inch across southeast North Dakota and parts of the southern Red River Valley, about a quarter inch to ½ an inch of rain in northwest Minnesota. So to recap, first alerting you to that rain moving into our region, leading to some soggy conditions. Around the same time that we see that rain, we're also looking at some wind gusts. I'm anticipating wind gusts in the 25 to 35 mile per hour range throughout much of tomorrow morning and afternoon. So stay wind gust of 37 miles per hour in Boston, 32 miles per hour in Detroit Lake. So a little breezy out there throughout much of tomorrow morning and afternoon and evening hours. But by Monday night, the winds settle down once again, and we get a break from the winds. The winds will pick back up, this time coming in from the northwest as we head into late morning and early afternoon on Tuesday, but by Tuesday evening, the winds end up settling down. So basically, for Monday, we're looking at wind gusts of 30-plus miles per hour in spots. Tuesday, not as windy, but still a little breezy from the northwest, and that'll make temperatures feel cooler. Again, just to recap everything, tonight, not very windy. We're looking at gusts up to 25 miles per hour at worst. Then tomorrow and Tuesday, some wind gusts will be above 30 miles per hour at times. So a little windy out there these next couple days, but luckily not as windy as today was. Tomorrow and Tuesday will definitely be a lot less windy. As for temperatures, well, I'm anticipating temperatures to be in the 40s in northeast North Dakota and in northwest Minnesota. Maybe seeing some 50s out in northwest Minnesota. I'm thinking 53 in Thief River Falls and Red Lake Falls versus 53 in Ada. And down south, some more low 50s, 55 in Fargo versus 52 in Lisbon and 53 in Foreman. So seasonably mild afternoon, just a few degrees above normal. And then after tomorrow, the next several days will be much more in line for the season, as we'll be in the upper 40s to low 50s. Friday, though, expected to be maybe a little bit cooler in spots compared to the past, compared to the next few days. In the long term, as we transition into early November, temperatures will be a few degrees above normal. We'll be in the mid-upper 40s compared to the low 40s normally seen for this time of year. So we are trending mild as we head into early November. Now, I promise I'll give you that Halloween sneak peek. Here's what it looks like. I'm anticipating highs in the 40s on average, which is around average for this time of year. We are, however, looking at a mostly cloudy skies, so I don't anticipate much sunshine, and a few showers are also possible that day. And here's what the shower activity looks like. This is just one model, the European model. Other models are anticipating a slightly different route. This model basically wants some scattered shower activity popping up as we head into Friday afternoon, and then we'll see some of those showers lingering into Friday evening and overnight, dissipating by early Saturday morning. Notice that some areas will stay dry, and other areas will see rain. That's the kind of hit and miss activity we end up seeing with these showers. So some areas will stay dry, other areas will see moisture. We'll have to keep an eye on it, but definitely keep the VNN First Alert Weather app on standby. I don't anticipate much precipitation from the showers, though, but again, we will keep an eye on this activity over the next several days. As for temperatures, I mentioned that Friday will be on the cool side. Maybe 48 will be our high in Fargo, but other areas will be in the low 40s, so it is going to be chilly out there. If you're going to be trick-or-treating, definitely grab a couple of layers. Make sure your costumes are layered up. We don't want you freezing out there when you're getting the sweet candy. So just to recap everything, we have that first alert weather day for tomorrow. Because of that rain moving into our region, rain showers will linger into Tuesday. As a result of the rain showers, that could impact any harvesting that you need to do, and in general, just impact any outdoor activities that you have to do, especially since we've been dry these past few days. The rest of the work week will be mild with highs in the upper 40s to low 50s. Sunny skies Wednesday and Thursday, but we are tracking a chance of showers for Halloween season. Otherwise, it's going to be a little chilly out there with temperatures in the 40s. So make sure to bundle up if you have any Halloween plans on standby. Now, I'll be on within the next 35 minutes on Valley News Live at 9. And I've also been getting periodic updates on VNN First Alert Weather app, so make sure to have that downloaded. And Summer Schnellbach will also be in for Valley Today tomorrow. Make sure to tune in and watch her if you don't have any, if you're not able to watch any of the shows that I'll be on tonight. I'm going to get off of here. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good night, everybody.